Once you're logged into S.M.A.R.T, the two arrows at the top right are white. This means the device manager is connected. If you hover those arrows, it will display the device manager is connected. If disconnected from device manager, the arrows will turn gray. If this happens, you will not see any peripherals attached to S.M.A.R.T. Another way to confirm device manager is connected is to go to Tools and select Device Manager. If connected, all peripherals tied to the computer will be displayed. If disconnected from device manager, you will not be able to access the peripherals. To show you an example, let's log out of device manager. Now, I am logged out of device manager. Refresh the page in order to see this change. You can now see the device manager is disconnected. The arrows at the top right are gray and state the device manager is not connected, and you will not have access to peripherals. If you go back to Tools and again select Device Manager, it will search for the device manager. It is critical that the user must log into Device Manager using the same credentials as logging into S.M.A.R.T. To log into Device Manager, first locate it on the system tray. The system tray is a little green box that looks like a tree. Double-click on it to open. You will be prompted with the option to sign in with the username and password or using a generated key. In this example, we are going to sign in using a username and password. At this time, go ahead and use your login email, which is the same email that you log into S.M.A.R.T. You must log in with the same email into Device Manager in order to access S.M.A.R.T peripherals. For this example, we will type in a password. However, you will check the SSO box versus a password. Press Login. You are now logged in. The system tray goes back and sits on the tray. If you want to look at it again, double-click on it. It will show you that you are logged in.